Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable vibration mode in iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go to settings, then scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. From there scroll down to ringtone, text tone and other alerts. Tap each and ensure that a vibration pattern is selected from there, and make sure the silent mode is switched off. And also check accessibility settings. Go to settings and then search for accessibility, click onto it, scroll down and ensure vibration is on. Let me see what is vibration. And make sure that vibration is on from accessibility, and that's it. These settings will ensure your iPhone vibrates for calls, messages and system alerts. Let me know if you need further assistance. That's it for today. See you in next videos. Goodbye.